So now let's see how we can use the Build Modifier for 2D drawings inside of Blender. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto the Draw tool and then just draw around a bunch of shapes right here. So let me just close this around as well so that I can fill it up with some color. So now I'm going to take the Fill tool right here and then I'm going to go around onto Solid Fill and I'm just going to fill it out with some vertex color right here. So I'm just going to go around and then fill it out right here. And then I'm going to go around, fill it out with blue right here. Let me just fill it out with green right here with some pink, magenta, and so forth. Let me just go around and randomly fill this out. So now what I want to do is I want this to have a build modifier. And to do that, I'm going to go around into object mode. And then I'm going to go around over here onto the modifier properties, as you can see right here. So now I'm just going to go around over here and select this, and on the add modifier section, I'm just going to go around and click on build. Once I do that, if I were to play this around, you can see that now this effect actually takes place. So it actually seems as if it is drawing things out right here and then it is filling it out with color. How cool is that? So you got an animation on its own, as you can see right here. You can also go around and change the frame that it takes to complete the animation. So let's say, for example, if I were to do 250 right here, then what happens is that it takes 250 frames per right here to complete this out. So instead of taking 100 frames, now you can see that it takes around 250 frames in total to complete out the entire animation of drawing. You can also go around over here and then type in 50 right here. So if I were to do that, what happens is that now only it takes 50 frames to complete this out right here, just like that. And now it is much more faster. You can also go around over here and use the factor right here. And if I were to use factor, what happens is that you can see that this is what I have right here in the beginning. And I can click and drag this around and you can see the factor of how much it takes to actually complete this drawing out as well. So let me just delete this out right here, just like this. And then there you go. This is what I have now. So let me just go around. Let me just press Ctrl Z a few times so that I get back to the default range. If I were to go around with the factor right here, just like this. So you can see that if I were to play around, nothing happens right now. But if I were to go to factor, you can see that as I move around, you can see that it changes out just like that. And you can go on to a certain location and animate this as well. And that is how you can use the Build Modifier for 2D drawings inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.